Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. I've got my little pigs in blankets ready here. Now you can buy your sausages already this size. You can get them, your butcher will do them for you if you want them to. You can get these in the supermarkets already made up, or like me, you can just buy the sausages and then get your streaky bacon and wrap those up. Look at those, absolutely perfect. But we need to add some extra flavour to these. So what I like to do with these is I like to part cook them just like this in the Ninja on bake, and then we can add an absolutely gorgeous glaze and make these honey and mustard style pigs in blankets. And they go so well with turkey. If you'd like the full recipe for this, then grab a copy of my brand new Christmas cookbook because this is exclusive to that. That will give you all the timings, the quantities, the ingredients, etc. Of course, if you want to cook more than I am today, then as you can see, you could fit loads in here. You could even double them up on the rack or do it however you want. Put them straight in the pot works as well. I'm just using the Ninja pot here from the bakeware set. So let's get these partly cooked. I'm going to put these onto air fry. If you don't want to air fry them for some reason, you can bake them, but I think air fry works so well with sausages. Once your pigs in blankets are partly cooked and got a little bit of colour on them, we now want to add the beautiful glaze. So let's get that all over those. There you go, look at that. Just give them a little swirl around. These are going to taste so nice. And I'm now going to get them back in the Ninja to finish cooking.